I found my parasitic loss. It was a jumper from the radio to the clock wire. If you look at the orange wire here with the red bullet connection on it, and the black jumper that goes to the yellow wire on the radio harness, that's where the parasitic loss was coming from. The orange wire is originally intended for the clock radio, or sorry, the clock, and that's an always on circuit, so the clock is always running when when the clock is plugged in. So that's where the parasitic loss was coming from. What I'm also thinking is, well, if the radio's not on, why would there be a parasitic loss? Well, the radio's got a bunch of capacitors in it, and capacitors go bad. And when they go bad, they try to power up and then they leak, and then they try to power up and they leak. So got at least one capacitor in the radio that's probably in need of replacement. So I've got two projects. I want to rebuild the radio, and I also want to rebuild the clock and get both of those things working on the right circuits. Here are my two new projects side by side. I'm going to do some research on how to repair both of these components, and as a part of doing that research and the work, I will leave you all the links that I come up with and the materials and components that are going to go into these to make them work again. It sounds like fun. We'll see if I can do it.